The Baobab tree, Adansonia digitata. This tree is the largest and oldest tree in Barbados, standing at 90 foot tall, 28 meters, with a girth of 81 foot, 25 meters. It is estimated to be over 1,000 years old. It's not native species of Barbados, but originated from Guinea, West Africa, where it is thought that the seed floated across the Atlantic and grew on the edge of a lagoon. This area is now the existing Queen's Park and playing field. Another large baobab tree is located in Warren St. Michael with a girth of 44 feet.